So I'm going to explain the explain and validation of microwave teas using EMSolver. So we are going to use this software known as Sonnet Lite. So first we have to open the software. So after opening the Sonnet Lite software, go to File, then click on New Geometry, and we will be getting a new project. And in this, first we have to go to click Circuit, then Circuit Settings, go to Units, then set the length as mils, then frequency as geometry, resistance, so it's a default, it's in the right position, so just click on OK. So the units are in the right position, make sure it's in this settings, then go to box, then the cell size should be 10, the box size should be 330, and the y-axis 200, the num cell 3320. So this is in the right position, click on apply. Then go to the next setting, the dielectric layers. Then the dielectric layers, the 0 is in the correct position. In the level of ground, change the name as alumna. And the dielectric losses, the E relative as 9.9. The dielectric losses 1.0 E minus 4. Then click on apply. The dielectric properties of the 99.5% pure aluminum. Now click on OK. Draw the structure of the E-plane T by going to planar. Click on draw metal rectangle. Then draw a straight box from here to here. Go to rectangle and draw a structure like this. And so click on polygon. So when we join the dots, the E-plane T is made. The E-plane T, in this, click on the metal and double click on it. So here click on new and so give the name as copper. So now click on select from library and click on copper and click OK. So now you will be getting this properties of the copper. After selecting copper, just change the thickness to 0.7 and click on OK. Then apply, then OK. Now click on the port icon and click the ports as 1, 2, and 3. So now we have given the ports. Now go to circuit options and click on sweeps and set the frequency from 1 to 12. 1 to 12 GHz. And click the tick icon. So now it is set. Okay. And click on OK. Click on apply and OK. Now click on the EM analyze button and before that save the file. on save. So then click on analyze. So we have forgot to add a small thing. So go to circuit settings and the dielectric layers. The thickness of the air is. Now click the thickness and give the thickness of air as 200. And this ground you can select from the library. Click on the alumina 99.5%. Click on OK. Then give the thickness as 20 and you click on apply OK. Now click on EM analyze. See. Now click on run. So this is the output of the EM analysis. Now click on graph and so we can see the graphs by double clicking on it. And first we have to take the S parameter graph and we can select the ports. We select 1, 1, 3, 3 and 2, 3. And click on OK. So we can see the graph here. So we can take whatever graph we need and that is the end of the 6 minutes.